Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your Feng Shui guru and paranormal expert. Today is Wednesday, June 11, 2025, and it's the day of the pig. Best color, light blue. Crystal or gem, Larimar. Activities related to yin, female, water, kan, GAN. Going to a place where there are stocks of soft drinks, or in an oil manufacturing of soap or factory, detergents, going to a coffee shop or restaurant,